Hi guys, in this video we are going to discuss about how to use the Python code for Dialogflow CX interaction. There are some comments in previous videos in the webhook where I have used Node.js and how to replicate that in Python. Again, I am not a Python developer. This is just using my dear friend ChatGPT. Okay, just a sample code how it works. Okay, and just trying to replicate the what I have already done in Node.js. Again, if you're watching this video and if you find this video useful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. 92% of viewers who are watching this video are not subscribing. Here, one subscription does help the content creator. If you're coming from the Google search, don't forget to give super thanks if you like the video or find the video useful. And or as always, give a like and subscribe. Okay. So what I have done over here, what let me go to the chat gpt and bluntly I'm saying I have given my node.js code and told the node.js to convert the code into python one. Okay, so I have this python code and this is also uploaded into the github. Okay, so if I open my github, it will you will be able to find this one. Ooh, Dialogflow. Wait, there was some comment. Okay. Anyway, so in the Python code folder, I have already uploaded this code, and the link to this code is given into the description section, so you can find from there. Okay. So what I have done, uh, I have copied the code, this code which is given, which is also in the GitHub, and created one file over here. And what I am doing is I'm just starting the Python, which will run on port number 8080. Okay, and what does this code do? Okay, so it does nothing. So it runs on the post, so what do you say, path as webhook. Okay, and it's looking for the sales tag. Okay, and what it does is it captures the parameter city name and it displays the city name. That's it, nothing else or nothing. You can say uh, top of the logic done over here. Okay, and in the cx side, what I have done, although we have already seen those, but just for the user who are first time over here, we have a welcome intent. So if you just say hi and hello, anything like that, what it do is go to collect city name. In the collect city name, what I'm doing is I'm asking for a city name. Okay, so it says please provide the city name. We are using system entity city name, and once user provide the city name, I'm using page.param.status. What it means is once user have entered the value and which is proper. Okay, so user can enter anything garbage also, right? But that cannot be a city name. So until unless user provide proper value, and if let's say user have provided the proper value, let's say Pune, Mumbai, London, Paris, whatever, right, and its status has become final. So what happens is internally page param status, it indicate that okay, whatever the number of parameters are there, if it their status has become final, then what we are doing is we are calling to call webhook. Okay, and in the webhook we are doing nothing intelligent over there. We are just calling the webhook with passing the sales tag. Okay, which is being used over here. You can see over here, if sales tag, then perform this one, otherwise perform this one. Okay, so that's it. Yeah, so let's test it out. Okay, so I do hi. Okay, and one question I forgot to answer. So I am using ngrok. So this is my URL which I have given in the webhook. Okay, so you can see this is how my webhook looks like. So this is the URL which ngrok provided. Okay, this one. Okay, C414, C414, and I have appended the webhook because that is what where I have configured the post URI, right? So this is the path of the this web service, right? And yeah, that's it. Okay, so coming back, so I say hi, I get a good day, what can I do, please provide the city name. I provide the city name, right? And I will get a response back. This is the response coming from webhook and the city name is Mumbai, which is the same thing. Okay, just to make sure that it is not hard coded. What I will do is I will again do a testing with different city names. So I can provide what is that, London, and you can see now it is giving us London because that is what we have captured. And if I go over here, you can see that this is a request body that we receive, and in that the city name over here is London, and in the first request body that we received it was Mumbai. And yeah, that's how we have migrated the code, Node.js code, to the Python one. You can leverage this one, and this is the JSON structure that it look for to respond, and hopefully it works for you guys also. Thank you. Have a nice day.